In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a publishing schedule in Airtable. We'll build a simple, visual system you can use to plan blog posts, videos, emails, and social content all in one place. Start by opening Airtable and adding a new base. Choose the option to start from scratch and name it Publishing Schedule so it's easy to find later. This base will hold all your content ideas and timelines in a clean, flexible table. Next, set up the fields you need. Rename your first field to Content Title and keep it as a single line text field so you can quickly type the name of each piece. Add a platform field as a single select and enter options like blog, YouTube, Instagram, and email. Create a publish date field and set it to date so it renders on a calendar. Add a status field as a single select with idea, draft, scheduled, and published. If it helps your team, add an owner field as single line text to note who's responsible. These few fields are enough to power your schedule without overwhelming you. Before we move on, I've placed a link to Airtable at the top of the description so you can jump in, sign in, or create a free account and follow along. Now, begin adding your content entries. Each row represents one piece of content. Fill in the title, choose the platform, pick a publish date, and set the status. Don't worry about being perfect on the first pass. This is a working plan that you'll update as you go. Create your calendar view next. Click the plus icon for a new view, select Calendar, and choose Publish Date as the date field. Name this view Publishing Calendar. You'll instantly see your content laid out by date, which makes spotting gaps and busy days a lot easier. Customize your calendar to fine-tune the plan. Drag any card to a new day to adjust timing. Click a card to update the title, status, or other details. Switch between month and week views to zoom in on a specific sprint or zoom out for the bigger picture. Use your status field to track workflow at a glance. Idea means it hasn't started. Draft means it's in progress. Scheduled means it's ready and on the calendar. Published means it's done. Keeping these accurate ensures your calendar reflects real progress. Finally, maintain your schedule. Add new content weekly or monthly. Review the calendar regularly and adjust dates by dragging items as needed. That's it. You now have a simple, visual publishing schedule in Airtable that's perfect for blogs, social media, and content teams. Thanks for watching.